license right there. I got you.
The red button right here?
No, I got you. Let me get it.
All right, go ahead. Don't stop it, Stevie.
I'm not stopping. We good.
What the fuck you got here right here, Stevie? What's this right here?
All right. The Pro Charger YSI, that's a 350 small block out of a 91 Impala. Sorry, 96 Impala, my bad. That's stroked out to a 396. Yeah. So, hold on. Why they call this a Drift National? Full custom frame. We're using 240SX front and rear subframe. Full independent.
So Stevie is telling me to do a donut, right? So I'm gonna grab the phone and let Stevie go ahead and get busy real quick.
Okay.
All right, show me what you do, Stevie.
Don't be scared, nigga.